So, are you ready for the truth? Are you ready for the truth about crypto in 2025? Well, I'm going to break it down for you guys in this video. I'm going to give you guys my honest thoughts on where we are right now, based on data, based on information. And there's so much noise going on right now all around us. And you know what's funny about all the noise that's happening? All of these people saying this and these people saying that and this and this and that and this. Nobody knows. Everybody's guessing. And at the end of the day, we are all guessing on crypto. But before I get into specifically where I think crypto is going in 2025 and why I believe this, let me just tell you this. One of the biggest things you have to ask yourself right now is, what is your time horizon? Because if you don't care about what happens over the next week, month, or even year, and you're looking at this on a 2, 3, 4, 5, 10-year timeline, I'm looking at Bitcoin in particular as a long-term investment. And many of the altcoins, long-term investments, the top plays. So you've got to be real with yourself. And short-term volatility, nobody can guess right. But I'm going to tell you exactly where I think it's going in 2025. Okay? I can't guarantee when or if or all of this, but with the information we have, I still think we're going higher in 2025. I still think that this is a pullback, a correction. It's not the start of a brutal bear market. Now, why do I feel this way? By the way, guys, smash the like button, subscribe down below if you guys love this. You're going to love this breakdown because I'm going to give you guys some real things to think about here. And I want to hear your guys' thoughts in the comment section. Super grateful for all of you guys, again, for coming back to the channel all the time. Really appreciate it. And we're navigating this world together, this crazy crypto space. We're learning every single day. So I feel convicted that this is not a bear market. Okay? And I'm going to go on record, right, wrong, and different. This is not a bear market. I'm giving it maybe a 10% chance that this marks the end of the 4-year cycles, and roughly an 80 to 90% chance that this is simply a bull market pullback. Like, Bitcoin went down, 25, 30%? Back in 2021, Bitcoin pulled back 56% before experiencing higher highs. Ethereum drew down 61% before going back up and seeing new all-time highs. Solana drew down 67%. And you could go across the board with altcoins, okay? In the middle of the year, in the middle of what we look back and think, 2021 peak bull market, we drew down 70 to 80% in the summertime. People thought it was all over. People are quick to forget that's exactly how it played out back in 2021. And now we have way more things to be excited about. We didn't have any of the regulation stuff to be excited about. We didn't have a pro-crypto president. We didn't have a crypto czar and AI czar and David Sachs. We didn't have Bitcoin strategic reserves going through the states. We didn't have any of this stuff. We didn't have any of it. And I know it was a little different environment. It was driven by retail, but this go around is driven by institutions. And I think they're just playing their game right now. They're playing chess, right? And they're hoping to wash some of the retail, even more of the retail, out of the market so they can get in comfier positions. No matter what, I think we're going higher on the massive assets, on the top 100s, the great plays. Now, I don't think you're going to be able to throw a dart at every altcoin now. Back in 2021, you can hit bullseye pretty easily. I think you've got to kind of hone in on where you think money's going to flow, capital's going to flow. For me, it's RWA. It's DeFi. It's some of the top layer ones, top smart contract platforms, right? AI, RWA, those two sectors, DeFi. That's where I'm honing in outside of buying Bitcoin every single day. Okay. But the harsh truth is that pullbacks are very tough on people. It induces a lot of anxiety, a lot of fear, a lot of uncertainty. But we see these type of pullbacks and bull runs all the time. Okay. Essentially where I'm at right now, and people will say, well, yeah, Zach, you're just keep calm and carry on. Like, if you're not calm right now, you don't have a plan. You're not in the right mindset. You're trying to get rich quick. This is not how this game is played, guys. You have to treat this like a serious thing. Okay. And we're getting doses of clarity, by the way, with the SEC closing investigations right now. That's a big deal. They're closing investigations with Coinbase, Robinhood, Uniswap. Guys, they are changing this whole thing for the better. So are you going to leave now? Are you going to exit your positions, sell for a little bit of a gain or sell for a loss and get out and talk shit about crypto and say it wasn't for me? Right before all of the great things that are happening are coming to fruition that we've been waiting for years? I'm not. I'm not going anywhere because I think we are just beginning. And again, yes, in 2025, I think we're going to go higher. If I'm wrong, given that 10%, am I going anywhere? No, because I know at some point we're going to go much, much higher and we're going to make money in the crypto space. Use this as a reminder as well. Do not over leverage yourself in risky assets. And I think that's where a lot of the frustration stems from. People are over leveraged. They don't have any capital left, and now they have to wait. And they attack other people for the decisions they've made. I've been preaching from the mountaintops, and I know a lot of other great people. I do it in my X spaces. What I do. I can't tell you what to do. You can't subscribe to my ideas. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel, though, because I'll give you guys my thoughts. I create Bitcoin as the backbone of my portfolio, going to high conviction plays, and I gamble with like 10 to 15% of my overall portfolio to try to get more Bitcoin. That's it. So that's where we are right now. And that's just taking everything into consideration. It may not feel like it, but we are closer now than ever in having full clarity in an industry that has been cluttered with uncertainty forever. Right. And that's just kind of where we are. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be coming out with a bunch more videos, bunch more content. Subscribe, hit the like button, drop a comment down below. I do want to hear from you guys. And I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Have a great weekend. We'll see you.